If you're planning to go on a DIY trip to Hong Kong, then this video has found you well. This is everything that we did on our week trip to Hong Kong, and everything was DIY. We boarded the plane from Manila to Hong Kong and it was a 2-hour flight. When we arrived at Hong Kong, dito na kami nagpapalit ng pera. Dito na rin namin binili yung Octopus card and the SIM card that you will use for your data for a week. It was only $88. Hong Kong dollars. So the first thing that we did is we rode the double-decker bus. It was super gandang experience, lalo na sa baby ko. Ang ganda kasi wala nito sa Pinas. Ito yung sinakyan namin papunta sa aming hotel. This was our hotel and it is called Harbor Plaza Resort City. At super ganda ng hotel na to, guys. Super affordable lang siya, guys. You can check them on Agoda or booking.com. It also has a lounging area and a free crib. Tapos yung bed namin is king size. Super sulit and the view was amazing. We get to see the city from here at ang ganda niya sa gabi. They also have this vanity table at yung closet area and this king-ass bed. So big. The first place we wanted to visit in Hong Kong was the Times Square. So yun yung una naming pinuntahan. We just took the railway at handa na kaming maligaw. Pero may dala kaming map, which is exciting. Sobrang exciting magbiyahe sa ibang bansa because it was all part of the experience. Hindi naman siya mahirap dahil hassle-free ang transportation system nila dito. After we rode the MTR, bumaba kami ng Causeway Bay at nandun na yung mismong Times Square. Sobrang ganda, guys. Para siyang maliit na New York City. Nakakatuwa dito, guys, kasi ang daming Pinoy. Like, even the vendors are Pinoy, so nakakatuwa. We also found this place where you can eat an authentic wonton. And it was amazing. Sobrang sarap. Yung noodles nila kakaiba pa rin talaga kaysa sa mga nakakain natin sa mga wonton sa Pinas. Iba dito, guys. Our second destination was the Hong Kong Disneyland. Ano pa ba ang pinupuntahan dito sa Hong Kong kundi yung Hong Kong Disneyland? I was wearing all black and I know it. Sumakay lang kami ng train to Sunny Bay at dito sa Sunny Bay mo matatagpuan yung Disneyland Resort na train nila. We were waiting for the Disney train, yung inaabangan ng lahat because everything is Mickey. Ayan siya. O, diba? Sobrang cute, guys. Wala kang kahassle-hassle dito, guys. Basta may Octopus card ka kasi magagamit mo siya like anywhere. Everywhere. It was just a short ride, tapos nasa Disneyland ka na at ito yung entrance nila, parang Enchanted Kingdom. Yung Disneyland tickets namin are from Klook and it was 6,000 per head kasama na yung Premier Access para hindi na kami pumila kasi medyo maraming tao, guys, para makasave rin kami ng time. I'm gonna have a separate video for the Disneyland tour itself kasi masyadong mahaba yun, guys. You need a whole day para ma-enjoy yung Disneyland. Minsan nga 2 days pa. Pero kung may Premier Access kayo, pwede na yung 1 day. Sobrang ganda sa Disneyland, guys. At syempre, hindi namin pinalagpas yung emotional na fireworks kasi it got us very teary-eyed. Sobrang nakaka-sad siya. Pero hindi sad. Parang nakaka-touch lang. Okay, so for the next destination, we went to Tongchong. Ang ganda ng city na to. Nandito yung Ngongping 360, which is yung cable car na maganda. Pero, matatapos na yung video and hindi na kasi. So, part 2.